Okay, so now we have a sample of the extension which can enlarge the water chamber in order for you to put more water and you enjoy the coffee. So it's very simple, just screw it up and actually do the same thing. However, as we have not increased the power of the battery, so if you want the machine help you to heating up the water, it will take double time as before. So without this, when you want to brew a coffee, it takes around 4 minutes to 5 minutes. If you have the extension, it will take you about 10 minutes. So in order to speed up, I'm ready for the hot water. And I assume this item, the people will do it at home or at office, so they are easy to get the hot water. So with the stand, it will be easier for them to hold the coffee machine. Just pull long press with the hot water inside, then it will have the espresso with 110 milliliter. So, okay.